In this video, we will show you how to replace the BILSTEIN B4 air suspension module on the front axle of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221 with 4matic. Please adhere to the instructions shown in this video. Always replace air suspension modules in pairs. It is imperative to heed the vehicle manufacturer's specifications regarding the renewal of screws and self-locking nuts, as well as the prescribed tightening torque. When replacing air suspension modules, it is imperative to use the vehicle manufacturer's tools and equipment. Air suspension modules are left and right parts. Check the association prior to installation. Take the air suspension module out of its packaging and check it prior to installation. Please refer to the provided installation instructions and check the expiration date. Measure the length of the BILSTEIN air suspension module and compare it to the minimum length stated in the installation instructions. Prior to removal of the air suspension module, vehicle height is measured and recorded from wheel hub center to the bottom edge of the front fender. Attention, this is only possible if the air suspension module is not destroyed. Lift the vehicle using the lifting platform support points specified by the manufacturer. Remove the wheels. Thoroughly check all suspension components for damage. Connect the diagnostic device and establish a connection. Bleed the air suspension module completely using the diagnostic device. Switch off the ignition. Always remove the ignition key while working on the air suspension module. Always wear the necessary protective equipment when working on the compressed air system. Carefully loosen the pressure line on the upside of the air suspension module until you hear the sound of effusing air, and wait until the residual pressure has dropped completely. Then remove the pressure line fully and seal it. Make sure not to bend, twist, or squeeze the pressure line. Remove the upper mountings of the air suspension module. Remove the connection to the height sensor. Disconnect the electronic cables plug connection of the air suspension module. Check the cables and plug connections for damage. Remove the brake hose from its bracket. Remove the lower mounting of the air suspension module from the transverse control arm. The air suspension module can now be removed. The installation of the new air suspension module is analogous to the removal in reverse order. It is imperative to heed the manufacturer's specifications regarding the renewal of screws and self-locking nuts, as well as the prescribed tightening torque. Remove the bracket of the brake hose from the old air suspension module and install it on the new module. Use the enclosed cable ties to do so. Remove the safety label immediately prior to the installation. Insert the new air suspension module and screw it onto the transverse control arm using the lower fastening screw. Heed the vehicle manufacturer's specifications when doing so. Install the upper fastening screws. Install the brake hose on the appropriate bracket. Connect the electronic cable's plug connections and fasten the supply lines into the appropriate brackets. Mount the connection to the height sensor. Attach the wheels professionally. Install the upper mountings of the air suspension module. Loosen the locking screw on the pressure line connection of the air suspension module and carefully remove the sealing ring. Replace the sealing ring on the pressure line of the vehicle. Mount the pressure line onto the air suspension module. Heed the vehicle manufacturer's compulsory tightening torque. Attention! Never lower the vehicle from the lifting platform with a depressurized air suspension module. Lower the vehicle down to the first ground contact of the wheels and then start the engine. Let the engine run for at least 2 minutes and then lower the vehicle with the engine running to the previously measured level or to the series standard height. Activate the vehicle's lifting mode. Wait until the vehicle independently lifts up from the lifting platform. Only then, a complete lowering of the lifting platform is permitted. Always align the axles after working on suspension parts.
BILSTEIN. Drive the legend.